Hi, it's Jonas from Space. I just want to give you a brief overview of our platform. And I start here. When the user has logged in, we get the spaces within our domain, and a space can be connected to either an account or a contact or an opportunity in the CRM system, perhaps. Within the space, meetings take place. Over a timeline, we can actually follow the meetings. You will see in a while. Right now we have had 3 meetings that are already done, and one is upcoming, which is the one that you and I will enter in a while. I can also see that we have some upcoming activities, to-dos, that me and the buyer have agreed to do between the meetings. So to enter the space, I just click on it and I come here. So hi, and you see me right inside this space. I can now open up my menu where you can see the meetings, and you can hover over and actually click on to see any recordings or transcriptions from a previous meeting. Or we can also go back and see all participants that has taken action in my meetings. I can move over to resources to show all the material, all the specs, agreements, demo, videos, or whatever that we have chosen to add in those meetings that have taken place over time. And I can go in and chat with all participants and see the chat history from all the meetings and also in between meetings. And here is where we can integrate Slack, for example, so that we can get the chat bot from the CRM system to do the work while we are asleep. And we can move over to activities to see all those activities that are to be done. So let's move on and enter the meeting for today. Well, today it's only me here, so we need to imagine that we have 8 other people on video stacked next to each other in a beautiful way. Let's take a look at our functionality. And first of all, we have the agenda that is completely unique of its kind, where you can drag and drop activities into your agendas. You can save the agenda, you can deploy the agenda in the organization, which makes it super simple to really make a best practice out of meetings. You can create spaces with meeting templates that have preset agendas with product demonstrations already there on video, and where new sales reps can go in and run those meetings with the help of video, and then after a while, when they can fly by themselves, they just replace that one against a live demo. In the agenda, we have different activities, such as the team activity where everyone comes up on video, like here, but 8 or 9 or 6 people. Then you have the presentation, and the presentation is optimized to really get a smooth product demo made, or a presentation that is to be held by someone. Again, the agenda opens the right camera, the right presentation at the right moment, while you can actually join 1 or 2 or 3 others and do a shared presentation in front of everyone else who watch. You can also bring in external tools. You can add pulse or quiz questions or word clouds to explore whatever the customer has as requirements or demands. Or you can even add your agreements, electronic agreements from Scribe, DocuSign, or GetAccept, so that you can walk through the agreements together with the client. You can also, of course, see the participants, and you can chat with them if you want, and you can also go into the resources. If you have any kind of resources, such as PDF documents, videos, or other that you want to share, you can always add, and actually anyone can add into by just uploading, dragging and dropping, or connecting their Google Drive, or adding a simple URL to show some kind of video from YouTube or Vimeo. Let's go to the activities, and we remember that we could add activities between us and the buyer so that we know what to do between the meetings. But let's move ahead and take a look at how the experience is when we move from one activity to another. So if I move from this team activity now and say hi and welcome, let's go over to the presentation. And automatically the presentation is loaded and all the users get stacked nice and clean so that I can see them when I'm doing my presentation, and we can see each other and talk about this presentation that I'm doing. And at any time you can move ahead by just clicking the next agenda. And so we open up Miro, in this case, which is a best of breed application where the users can interact and work with post-its or other whiteboard functionality. But let's go back to the team activity where everyone was on stage, and just to show you how simple it is to really interact with each other here, I open up the resources and I just take one, in this case a demo pitch PDF document, and it automatically opens up and I can walk through it together in front of the eyes of everyone else. This is not screen shared. This is actually running on every client. So every user see exactly the right thing. And I can even go in and use a Vimeo video for this case to showcase some kind of referral or customer testimonial or whatever.
I'm here with these.
And I can fast forward the video and it gets fast forward on everyone's machine. This is Space. We make it super simple for sellers to shine. We have a freemium premium enterprise model, and it's really super simple to join. You just click sign up and type in your data. And now we just ask for your URL. Let's add Google here. What we do now is that we crawl the web to find the line of business, the logo, the color themes. With the line of business and color theme, we send that to Unsplash and give the user an almost unlimited amount of images that they can use. Or you can at any time just take your own logo and upload it. Or you can take an image and choose that one instead. And there we are. Thank you for joining me in this short demonstration. I hope you liked it and see you soon. Bye bye.